In this question, we need to locate a value of negative 1 3/4 on the given number line. So let's start by examining the number we're given. So let's start with negative 1 3/4. The first thing we should notice about this number is since it's negative, it needs to be located to the left of 0 on that number line. So what that allows us to do is rule out our values for C and D, because both of those are in the positive range. So we're looking at B or A. Now, what does 1 3/4 represent? Well, if we had a positive 1 3/4, we could represent something like that using fraction circles, where we'd have one whole and 3/4 the part of another. So if we were going to shade that in on fraction circles, it would look something like this, where you'd have that whole circle shaded there, and then 3/4 of the second circle there. Since we've got the negative value, what we're talking about is really direction on the number line. So I need to travel a distance of negative 1. So that would be traveling from 0 to negative 1. So there's the first part of that. And then I need to travel an additional 3/4 of the way along that number line before I get to 2. So if I do that, what you'll see is I end up right at that value of A.